Sometimes you need to find a place that feels like it shouldn't exist, like it stepped out of a dream and into the real world. This is Fanal Forest, hidden high in the mountains of Madeira, Portugal. Old laurel trees, twisted by time, wrapped in silence and often in fog. In this video, I'm taking you with me on a slow, quiet walk through one of the most magical places I've ever seen. We arrived to Caleta to go grab a coffee from this kiosk. The views are so nice. It's Madeiran weather. It's raining and it's sunny at the same time. If you're coming to Madeira and going through muddy places, we bought these off Shein. They're kind of protection for your shoes and they're meant to stop you from slipping. They look a little bit silly, but they really work. It's quite cold and muddy from the rain. That's okay. Here's the road. And here's the forest. Oh my God. This honestly feels like something out of a dream. Wow. It's completely silent. I'm actually scared to talk. It just feels surreal. It's almost eerie, but in the most beautiful way. I've seen photos before, but honestly, they don't prepare you for this moment. I feel like I'm gonna cry. It's beautiful. What nature gave us centuries ago. Do you know when you get to a place and you just sort of feel the energy around? This is like that. You just feel the energy. I just have to touch it or hug it. Oh. Hi. Look at all the moss. It's like stepping into a prehistoric world. Because you know, these laurel trees have been here for millions and millions of years. Some of them are hundreds of years old. And they've resisted through all the nature and the storms that have passed through here. And they've been that resilient. That's a lesson we should all take. No matter what happens, we have this power that nature gave us. This is my favorite spot so far in Madeira. I'm in love. They say nature is the best healer. And now I really think that. Because you can just let it out and feel the feelings and accept them. Didn't mean to cry on camera, but yeah. God, oh my God. god, I have to hug a tree. I just have to hug a tree. It's so wet. It's so quiet. It's like the whole forest, it's holding its breath. I could just stay here for hours. There's something about this place that makes you slow down and just take it all in. It's one of those places that I think stays with you long after you leave. Wow. I'm going up the hill to see more of the trees in the fog. Look at the view behind me.
We spent about 4 hours in this beautiful ancient forest. And honestly, we didn't feel the time pass at all. We just kept walking around, climbing the hills, going deeper into the forest, enjoying seeing the cows that were grazing nearby. The weather would change in an instant. First it was sunny, then the fog came. At one point it was so foggy that we couldn't see ahead at all. And with every little change, the place became even more mystical and eerie. There's a kind of magic here that's hard to explain. It's a peaceful, almost sacred feeling. It's not just beautiful, it makes you feel something. Small, but in the best way. Like nature is reminding you to be still and just be. And so we sat down in the middle of the forest, had our lunch, and just enjoyed seeing the fog pass through these ancient laurel trees, twisted by time. During our picnic, there was a mother cow and her baby that came very close to us, grazing on the wet green grass. It was so magical to witness this moment, and we truly felt like we were a part of their world.
We have so many more places to visit, but I just don't want to live here. It's cold, but worth it. Listen to the birds. These laurisilva trees are part of this forest, which is a rare and ancient type of subtropical rainforest that has existed, if you can believe it, for over 20 million years. The trees here, they thrive in Madeira's cool and humid climate, absorbing moisture from the fog, which is why Fanal often looks so mystical. They also protect the ecosystem because they capture water from the mist, feeding underground reservoirs that provide fresh water to the island. And without them, the people of Madeira would struggle to get enough water. What's crazy is that some of these trees are hundreds of years old. They've been standing here long before us, before Madeira was even discovered. And when you stand among them, you really feel that sense of timelessness.